Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to take you on an adventure of me breaking the routine of the stuff that I normally do, which is donuts, burnouts, working on all kinds of small engines just to show what it's like to take a vacation with me. Because I'm going to get back to working on the four-wheeler and the Charger and the tractor. But in the meantime, I'm going to make a getaway to Texas, USA. See what kind of fun stuff happens down here. I made a pit stop at America's favorite truck stop, Buc-ee's USA. Which, to be honest, I can see the hype because the damn place is so huge. You need 2 or 3 days just to venture through everything they offer there. I mean, it's pretty much insane, and it's always busy, middle of the night or not. It's always fun to goof around in a hotel room, especially when it's stuff that's not yours. Visited one of the biggest inside atriums to a hotel I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, literally everything in Texas is bigger. It's insane, but it's so peaceful too in here. It ain't a road trip unless you stop at a Walmart. I mean, anywhere, you gotta stop at a Walmart. You need supplies, right? Most importantly, what I'm getting at for you guys is no matter what you do in life, if you work at a bank, if you're a food truck delivery guy, if you work in, nuclear physicist, you need to take time off to enjoy life and venture out there and see stuff that you don't normally get to see every day. For instance, I found this unique skate spot out in the middle of nowhere, which was just amazing to me that it was so hidden. It's not even on the map, but I spotted them like I gotta get some tricks. I was able to see some stuff like the Berlin Wall, where we saw some art, 7-foot plate, dolls from Pakistan, China implements. My brother found a turd bag. It's pretty funny out there in the middle of nowhere. But I mean, there's just so much to offer in Texas. You need to get out there and just adventure, check stuff out. It's living life, one moment at a time. Downtown Dallas was a trip. They had this park with ping pong tables. They had amazing artwork, everything you can imagine, and it just is, the food keeps on coming, the opportunities keep on coming. Get out there and check it out. Take pictures, take your camera with you, and then most of all, just enjoy life, you know what I mean?
Dallas, Texas. It's actually Irving, Texas, but fun times.
The Raptor sees another trip. If you're ever going to come to Irving, that's the best place to park, right underneath a flat camera.
Just make sure your shit stays safe, your taillights don't disappear.
But also, an unwanted parking space. All night, this place stayed empty, so able to go to and from dinner, get back and forth, and keep everything good to go. You could also curb it. Oh my god, I love this truck. The adventures we see in it is just so much fun. So,
heading back to Oklahoma now.
Gas was surprisingly cheaper down here. I mean, at least by 30 or 40 cents cheaper than around northeast Oklahoma. My brother's a weirdo. As usual, we get to have fun and just goof around the entire time. We also get to say very offensive things to each other, and it gets people's attention everywhere we go. But it's fun. We made a blast. We had memories. Yes, I said that backwards on purpose, but you got to get out there and live life. The best part about all this is whether, like I said, if you work for a mechanic shop, if you work in the oil industry, if you're just, a doctor, get out there and explore, live life, and enjoy the things that you can find out there, because there's so much to be had, especially if it's free. The views are free, and experiencing things uniquely, running around a parking lot at 3 in the morning for no reason. It's fun. Life is happening all around you. Dragonflies flying by me. Like, I cannot express how much fun is out there just to find in life. You need to enjoy it. So this is a fun little getaway. I was able to break free from my mundane routine, working on stuff every day, and just the regular old 9 to 5 to have some life experience. So I would do it again in a heartbeat, and I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing a little bit inside of my miniature vacation that happened over a weekend. But thank you guys so much for love and support. I can't wait to get back to work on some of the video content for you guys and making stuff that it's for helping you guys. And I get to see the comments. While I was away, I was responding to so many comments of people who actually got help from these videos. So I love all of you. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for sticking around, and I look forward to more adventures as we go in the future. So if you want to see more stuff like this, sound off in the comments below and let me know. But thank you guys again. We'll see you guys in the next video.